Hello students! Today we will learn flower names from A to Z. Let's start.
For Anemone. B for Buttercup. C for Carnation. D for Dahlia. E for Easter Lily. F for Freesia. G for Gardenia. H for Helianthus. I for Iris. J for Jasmine. K for King Protea. L for Lavender. M for Marigold. N for Nasturtium. O for Osteospermum. P for Poppy. Q for Quesnelia. R for Rose. S for Sunflower. T for Tansy. U for Ursinia. V for Vervain. W for Water Lilies. X for Xeranthemum Annuum. I for Yellow Iris. Z for Zephyranthes.